Hey guys, thanks for coming back to On The Go Crypto. We've got a really good video here. We're going to talk about a monster partnership that I guarantee you 99% of you watching this video have no idea that exists with Quant. I know I didn't know about it, and I've done some serious digging. It's monster. I'm going to get into it about halfway through the video, so just stick around. But to get to that point, we need to start at the beginning, where Overledger and Quant came from, what started it all. I want to thank everybody for liking and subscribing. You guys are really supporting my channel. If you think I earn a like, please give me a like. It helps get the video out. So, in the beginning, Gilbert Verdian, the idea of Quant and thereby Overledger as a product started when he worked for the British government as the Chief Information Security Officer for the Department of Health for the British government, okay? He was basically in the government levels of hospital administration. He's talked about this in several interviews. You guys can Google it if you don't believe me. I know it sounds weird that a crypto company has its beginnings and origins in hospital administration, but that's what happened. It says here, the idea came from the use case of being able to securely connect sensitive health data across systems and jurisdictions. The traditional way was very expensive, difficult, created duplication, and not just feasible. I thought I could create a secure blockchain overlay to sit on top of the different systems. I could build a secure, trusted channel to bridge the systems and transfer health data. That is the beginning of Quant and thereby Overledger. Now, moving on. Another interview here where this is the beginning of the board of directors build out. When Guy Dietrich, who used to be the managing director of Rockefeller Capital, came onto the board of directors, Gilbert Verdian was ecstatic. And for good reason. That man brings a lot of connections, a lot of clout. It says here, we are very pleased to have Guy join Quant Network's board. His leadership experience, business expertise, and passion for emerging blockchain and distributed ledger technologies will prove to be valuable assets as we, here we go, continue to execute on our long-term strategy and expand into the U.S. market. What in the hell do you think he's talking about there? That is what we are in the middle of now, okay? That's the level we're on at this moment. The building blocks are in place. The moves have been made. Everything has come to this point. This price of Quant is a consolidation pattern. Okay, a crypto that consolidates at $100 after popping off above $400, that's impressive, guys. Real holders, you know what you hold. You know what you have. Now, on to the partnership. Simba Chain is not a very well-known crypto company / project, but they have been around since 2017, and they were seed funded by DARPA. Here in this article, it talks about Simba Chain has been investigating blockchain on the military's behalf since receiving seed funding for a crypto chat app from the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, also known as DARPA, in 2017. Since then, the platform, a project of Indiana Technology and Manufacturing Company, has entered into multiple SBIR contracts with the Navy as well as the Air Force. DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, just for you guys that may not know, not everybody knows about DARPA, but DARPA is the secret research project wing of the Pentagon. It's the U.S. government's dirty little think tank, laboratory, research. That's where they build all the scary shit. So DARPA funded Simba Chain. Now, the reason that's important, Simba Chain is partnered with Quant. Here's just an example of another I thought was a really intriguing. There's Boeing partnership with Simba Chain, Department of Defense, but I thought this was really interesting. The Space Force, the U.S. Space Force is partnered with Simba Chain. Tokenization space debris using blockchain technology offers a novel method of fostering active debris removal programs. This is just the beginning. Australian government, the list goes on, U.S. Navy, U.S. Air Force. This partnership is highlighted here. Simba Chain. This is a list of partners that Quant has. Simba Chain's partnership. Simba was founded by Joel Neidig and Ian Taylor in 2017 via a grant awarded from the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA, Indiana Technology and Manufacturing Companies, ITAMCO, and the Center for Research Computing at the University of Notre Dame. Now, this thing was incubated at the University of Notre Dame, and the connections at the University of Notre Dame is what got them noticed and seed funded by DARPA. Now, this is a really big deal, guys. People don't realize the end game for Quant. The thumbnail is what the thumbnail is. The end game for Quant, okay? Everyone's focused on this price. You guys should really think about what you're holding like it's Microsoft 2.0, okay? Microsoft, this price chart says it all. This is the all-time price history for Microsoft on the NASDAQ. Okay, when Quant first came out, it would be the equivalent of getting Microsoft at 10 cents back here. Then it had its big first pump, went up into the upper $50, right? And then it comes down and it's consolidating. Think of that as the first Quant pump, okay, guys? Last bull run, some people feel like they missed it. You don't need to feel like you missed it. If you're holding Quant now, think about it like you're holding Quant here, where Microsoft was in 2013. Consolidated back down after its run up. It's in the 20s. People were probably scary here. And then what happens? It runs up in the next run and it never comes back. This is where we are, guys. Quant is at the preface of a major move, a major run. These partnerships have been in the works for years. We are only hearing about things now. Remember what you guys hold. This is the end game of Quant, the new Microsoft. Remember what you guys hold. Don't let fudders shake you out of your bags, selling at a loss so that you can come back in later. Understand what you hold and have the patience to appreciate it, guys. That's all I've got for you in this video. I really appreciate your support. Throw me a like if you think I earned it. I'm going to get more out for you guys. I'm here for you guys, and I appreciate your support. Remember what you hold. It's going to be a wild-ass 2 years. Stay calm, guys. Make money. I'll see you again. Thanks.